Thursday and office day namin, and we had a quick learning session. And after that, decided to go to Kubli Cafe Bistro, General Trias, Cavite. And you know what's exciting about it? Malapit lang to sa Zone 2 ng Lancaster New City. O diba, exciting talaga tumira sa Lancaster. Ang daming malapit na establishments. So here we are, as usual, nakatungo na naman sa cellphone ang mga agents. Sa Alfresco sana kami magpapa-set up, but then again, we realized hindi kaya ng mga balat namin ang humid. So we changed our minds and bumalik kami sa air-conditioned area.
Kung anong ibig niyo. Yes. Yes, that's it.
And while waiting, syempre, naganda-gandahan muna kami saglit. And as a person na tamad mag-intay, umikot-ikot na muna ako so I can show you the world. I mean, yung Kubli Cafe. Finally, the food is here and okay naman siya. You can dine, you can have coffee, and you can hang out. So it's a thumbs up for Team Marian.